Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick 2-minute updo. To start, I'm going to leave a little hair out to frame the face on both sides of the head, and then I'm just going to divide a section of the hair from the ear forwards, and we're going to take the same section on the opposite side. Then just bring these together at the back of the head and tie them together with a clear elastic band. Next, I'm going to take about a third of the hair that's left hanging down, starting on the left hand side. Then I'm going to pop my fingers behind the section on the right hand side, pop the hair to your fingers and pull it all the way through behind that section. Then secure with a bobby pin. Then we're going to take the same size section on the right hand side and repeat the same steps, but this time pop your fingers behind the left hand side, pull it through and pin to the head. Then pop an elastic band a couple of inches from the bottom of that hair that's hanging down and create a loop. And we're just going to roll that little loop underneath the section, so keep rolling it until you meet the nape of the neck, and then just slip a bobby pin through each side. And then, so there's no gaps, just push each side towards the head in that bottom corner and secure with another pin on both sides. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.